Yo, what is up? It's time. You guys already know what time it is, bro. It's time to drive the Jenny around. Ooh, I look forward to this every week. Let's go turn it on. Oh shit, I put it on off mode. Usually the lights go white, but yo, I am so tired. I just came back from the gym, not gonna lie. Should I warm up the car first? Yeah, let's warm up the car while we make our creatine. Creatine is good for you guys, remember. Okay, let's hear this cold start. I mean, not cold start because I did drive it throughout the day. I just came back from the gym in another car, so yeah. There we go. Turn the lights on because why not? We got water. I think we're gonna use this water. Let's get our creatine. There's our creatine. Look at the mess I made, bro. Should be good. It is not snow. It is creatine. YouTube, don't ban me. Just gotta shake it up. Our goal is to finish the water by the end of the video. That's how she's sitting, man. The Jenny. Fucking love this car, man. Honestly, ever since I got the car back from the mechanics, it hasn't really done anything bad to me yet. So that's good. Hopefully it doesn't do anything else either. You guys ever just like stare at your car? I can stare at my car my whole day, bro. Shit is so nice. My first car, man. Fucking love this car. Okay, always good to check under the hood here and there. Of course, we got our K&N cold air intake right there. We got our GFB blow valve right there. Straight from a repair, we got an aluminum intake manifold. If you guys are still running a plastic intake manifold, what the fuck are you guys doing? You guys are in for some expenses, bro. Upgrade that. If you want to boost your Jenny, upgrade this, please. Don't run into the same problems I did. I suffered, so you guys don't have to. Horsepower wise, we're pushing like 310, 305, around there. What we got on the exhaust, of course, we got a downpipe, test pipe, mid pipe, back-to-back exhaust. We got the titanium tips. Let me show you guys the titanium tips. Get a closer view. Titanium tips right there. Sounds nice. Sounds nice, man. There's no water drainage here, bro. But what do you guys think about the taillights? I'm thinking about getting the spider taillights for now. Just for now. I want to D-spec eventually, like I said in my other videos. Let me get in the car so you guys can actually hear me. Car's nice and warm. Let's go. So, what was I saying about the taillights? Oh my god, we only have 123 kilometers left. I do not want to go to the gas station. I'm not gonna lie. This is gonna be a short video. I'm gonna try to keep it a short video, bro. Because gas prices right now, what time is it? So, 11:36, bro. 11:36. I'm making this video for you guys at midnight, by the way. But gas prices usually change at like 12, bro. And I'm not trying to fill up again because like I'm broke. Every car guy ever. Tired. I just came back from the gym. Chest day. You guys already know how it is. Went fucking hard. You guys can still hear me breathing, bro. I just came straight from the gym right now, but you know, you gotta make a video. I was gonna get the spider taillights. I seen them on Facebook Marketplace for like 50 bucks right now for the set of 2. And low-key, they don't look so bad, bro. Just for some standard, like just for right now type of vibe. Just until the summer, so then I can get the spec D's, change them over to the white housing. Like for now, I think the spider taillights are good. I tried searching it up. I think the car's warm. I'm gonna start driving before you guys get bored. Searching it up, like yo, like the spider taillights on a Genesis Coupe, but there's no one who done it, bro. There's no one who's posted it. I think it just looks ugly, so people don't want to post it, I guess. I don't know. That's my conclusion, bro. If you guys have any spider taillights, bro, let me know. I know some of you guys who are watching this have Genesis Coupes, so like if you guys are running the spider taillights, if you guys don't know what they are, I'll put a screenshot of them. Ding! There it is. Like, yeah, let me know if you guys are running it. Do they even look good? Because I feel like they're only used for the BK1s, and I have a BK2, so I don't know if the housing is the same as a BK2. Like, can I just plug and play, or do I have to get a module? Car's warm. Let's get a rev. Windows down. Yeah. She's warm. Of course, we got a little buddy in the video again. Right there, that's little buddy. Say hi. Is anyone coming at midnight? No one's coming at midnight. See, sometimes when I built so much boost, the engine itself tells me, yo, oh my god, there's a car coming. Chill out, chill out, chill out. I know you see me. See, that's what you call a good driver, bro. Thank you. WU, bro. WU. Okay. Let's turn the heat down so you guys can actually hear me, bro. It's not that cold outside today, bro. Thank God. Usually I wear like 3 thermals layer up to make this video. But you know, today we're moving with the calm 1 layer. Not so bad. He looks tired of life. Was that a Accord Coupe? And W-Mans. Should I race him? Should I race the guy? What is that? Ultima Coupe? Honda Coupe? Is it a Accord Coupe? Bro, I haven't even seen that car, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Hold up. Does he want to race me? No, I'm gonna let him have it, bro. He looks pretty angry. Looks like he had a tough day. Yeah, see that pull I did in the basement? The car just shuts off the boost immediately. It cuts it off. It cuts off the boost. Who's this guy trying to race me, bro? You're not getting in front of me. Just fucking love that. But yeah, it cuts off boost immediately. And like, I always think like the intercooler hose falls off, because that's happened to me before where the clamp's so loose, the intercooler housing, it just pops off. Oh my god, it's looking beautiful right now. Yo, you guys might actually get a snow video today. Let's go. I fucking love driving in the snow, especially when it's not like 3 inches thick. There's a cop up there. We should avoid that. Should we avoid that? We should avoid that? What do you guys think? Nah, it's okay. It's okay. We'll take the L if we have to. Sometimes it feels like it just cuts it off, and I feel like it's my ECU that's giving me the problems, or it's like it's something internal. And yo, it looks like it's gonna snow crazy today. I see some big snowflakes, bro. I don't know if the camera's capturing this. Hopefully it is, bro. That's the whole point of the video. And we're sliding a little, so this is gonna be a fun video. Pray to God I don't crash. So yeah, that's always a thing to look out for. Oh my god, it just sounds so much more like, what's the word I'm looking for? What's the word? It sounds so much more concentrated now since that aluminum intake manifold came in. Like, yo, I could barely hear the turbo from my cabin, right? But like now it's like, see how it's only snowing in that part of the fucking city? Like that part of the road, not even the city. Like, where'd the snow go now? Meow. Meow. Yo, we gotta watch out for cops, bro. I don't know what's up with the cops lately. I even ranted in my last video. Like, no disrespect towards cops. Like, yeah, serve and protect, I get that, I respect that. But yo, they be serving and protecting the wrong guys, bro. Like, the car guys are getting in trouble, bro. Lately, the car guys have been getting in trouble. Like, yo, the amount of times I've seen cops pulling over car guys is actually crazy now. Like, I always see one car getting pulled over a day. And yo, back in the day, it was not like this. Not even back in the day. Last 2 months when I didn't have my car, it was in the shop, it was not like this, bro. As soon as I get my car back, these cops want to get strict. I guess it's like a 2026 movement or something in Toronto. But yeah, we are from Toronto. I'm gonna take a sip of my creatine. Honestly, creatine doesn't even taste that bad, bro. Some people say it tastes so salty and it tastes like bitter and all that, but I think like over the years I just got used to it. I've been hitting the gym since like I was in 7th grade, so it's like what, 12 years old, 13 years. Let's make that light. I guess I've adjusted to the taste. We have a tunnel coming up. That is the tunnel where I got pulled over and I got 5 tickets. And since it's nighttime right now, I don't think I'm gonna get pulled over, so we're gonna downshift. Windows down. You know what I noticed is when I redline on 2nd gear now, it pops. It burble pops. It burp like, yo. I'm just gonna keep doing it again because it sounds so fucking nice. Here we go. This is my favorite time of the week when I get to drive this car just for the sole purpose of having fun. Yo, he's looking at me too. Nah, Baz is looking at me like, yo, who the fuck just popped like that? Yo, it's me, bro. It's me. I hear some sirens though. I'm not gonna lie, bro. But I don't see sirens in my rear view, so we should be good. The left lane closes here, so we're just gonna get in here. Oh, you're not gonna let me in, huh? I bet. I'm gonna get in front of you anyways. I have a fast car, NASCAR. Some little manual class for you. See how we're coming up to a red light? You know what we're gonna do? We're in 4th gear right now. Okay, is that a cop? I am so scared. We're in 4th gear. We're gonna downshift to 3rd, and then we're gonna downshift to 2nd, and then we let it roll until we come to a stop. And see how that light's yellow? I don't know if you guys can see. Come on, turning green. Ah, I missed it. Yo, downshifting is one of the best parts of having a manual, bro. Like, just to bring this up, we had 250 subs. That's like 250 away from 500, and that's like 750 away from 1,000. So like, yo, W you guys. Yo, I started this off for fun, bro. I just like driving my car, so I might as well record it, right? But if you guys really fuck with the content, like, yo, shit, like 250 subs, I'm not complaining. If you guys are watching this, you guys are not sub, bro, and you guys like loud cars with turbos like this, then subscribe. The fuck are you doing? I can't wait till these guys turn these lights to white, cause I mean, I still fuck with yellow. Yellow's nice. Yellow's a nice soothing vibe, especially in the summer when it's yellow lights. Like, yo, LA before it turned all like white LEDs, it used to look sick. White lights. Even New York, I seen some streets like all lit up with LED lights. I mean, it does conserve energy. Some little turbo for you. It does conserve energy, but like, you know, the vibes aren't there, man. The halogens make you feel warm and nice and calm. But then the LEDs, they kind of hurt your head. Like, cause like on the highway sometimes they have the LEDs, and then when you're going from that yellow lighting to that white lighting, yo, it's just like, it's like a migraine, bro. Tesla moving, bro. See, I never seen a Tesla get a ticket. That's one thing I've noticed, bro. I've never seen a Tesla getting pulled over. It's always like some gasoline car. Yeah, bro. I think that cop is waiting for me. Look, he's right there. He's right there, bro. He's turning right. Never mind, I was just wrong. It was a Hummer. Whoops, false alarm, man. But you can't really blame me, bro. I'm tired. But yo, we're home, and I don't want to spend more gas because, you know, I'm broke. So we're gonna go home, straight home, and sleep. Maybe play some like Rocket League or something. I don't know. I'm a champion Rocket League, so I'm kind of like that, right? Thank you for watching the video. If you guys stay to the end, make sure you guys subscribe. Make sure you guys like. If you guys want a Genesis Coupe, get it. It's maintenance, but get it, bro. If you guys want a Genesis Coupe, do it. Grind for it. That's what I did. I grinded like 2 years, bunch of roadblocks, but it's worth it, bro. Okay, bye bye.